Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Bluetooth in your Ford Transit. First, ensure your vehicle is safely parked to avoid distractions. Next, activate Bluetooth on your mobile device and make it discoverable. Then, navigate to the sync system on your Ford Transit's display. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth pairing process. We'll guide you through each step to get your device connected quickly and easily, enhancing your driving experience with hands-free communication and audio streaming. Once in the sync menu, select the Add Device option to begin pairing. Your Ford Transit system will then search for available Bluetooth devices. When your phone appears, select it. A 6-digit PIN will be displayed on both your vehicle's screen and your phone. Confirm that these numbers match to authorize the connection. Finally, allow your phone to connect and transfer contacts if the system asks, ensuring full functionality for calls and messages. With your device successfully paired, you can now enjoy the full benefits of Bluetooth in your Ford Transit. Make hands-free calls using simple voice commands or by selecting contacts on the touchscreen. You can also stream your favorite music, podcasts, or audiobooks directly from your phone to the vehicle's speakers. Use the sync controls on your steering wheel or dashboard to manage playback, skip tracks, or adjust volume, keeping your focus on the road ahead. If you encounter any issues, a simple restart of both your phone and the sync system often resolves connection problems. You might also consider deleting old, unused devices from your sync memory to improve performance. For more detailed troubleshooting, consult your Ford Transit owner's manual. And remember, staying hydrated is key, especially on long drives. Check the description below for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals to keep you refreshed on the go. Enjoy your connected driving experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.